Digital door lock installation video. The digital door lock and its accessories are packed in a white colored box. Please ensure you choose the lock with the correct door opening direction. Door swing open to the right is indicated by R, while door swing open to the left is indicated by L. The door lock should be nicely packed and protected by styrofoam and bubble wrap. The content in the box consists of electronic door lock with handle and battery compartment, lock body, 2 pieces of spindles long and short to cater to different door thickness, strike plate, 3 mechanical keys for emergency use, bolt, screws, drilling template with cutout alignment holes, installation instructions, and digital door lock passcode and RFID card installation manual. We shall start our door lock installation now. First, remove the existing handle and lock from the door. Place the drilling template on the existing hole of the door. Ensure the edge of the door is aligned with the door line of the template. Align the big hole of the template with the existing hole on the door. Using a sharp object like a screw, make a mark on the small hole of the template. Ensure that the mark can be seen clearly on the door, as we will be using this mark to drill a small hole to hold the lock. Using a drill, drill a through hole of about 10 to 14 millimeters in diameter. Install the keypad and the outside handle of the lock to the door. Ensure that the wire is inserted through the top part of the door lock hole. Install and fasten the back plate to the lock body. Ensure the wire is above the metal plate. Next, insert the spindle pin through the lock body and clutch hole of the lock. As there are 2 spindles provided, ensure you use the correct length. The spring on the spindle should face the back plate. Connect the wire to the battery compartment of the lock. Next, fasten the battery compartment and the inner handle to the back plate using the retaining screws. Do a check to ensure that the back handle can operate smoothly and the latch is fully flushed with the side of the door when the back handle is fully depressed. The digital lock operates on 4 AAA batteries. Install the batteries. After the batteries are inserted, the alarm of the lock will sound for about 20 seconds as it reboots. Insert the battery compartment cover. Digital door lock installation is now completed.